My name is Kyle Weston, and I am a lead transaction coordinator over here at P1. I just love how they give back to the community, how it's really a company that serves a purpose. They really are passionate about helping veterans, and it just goes beyond your typical 9 to 5. Cake, 100%, especially chocolate cake. Tacos. Never had sushi in my life, but I eat tacos weekly. Cooking, that one, I mean, I feel like I can go either way on, but I do enjoy cooking and trying new things, except sushi. I am very passionate about bringing the Seattle Sonics back, and I will make sure that I help in some way to bring the team back to Seattle.